Bonjour, bonjour, fragrance lovers. This is Clémence. I talk about fragrance and welcome back. Drama. Drama everywhere. I'm gonna talk about fragrance that I find not interesting, boring, basic. Please, like, don't take it for yourself. It's not because I say like this is tacky or this is like this that you shouldn't wear it. And to be fair, I really enjoy my tacky fragrance sometimes. Who never been tacky? Tacky is fun. I'm gonna talk about article from press, so you can blame them, not me. And rather than being a bad teacher and just giving you like random fragrance like, oh, this smells bad, without no reason, I'm gonna give you an alternative of it that I think might be better. But again, that's just me thinking that I might be wrong. I might be wrong, so you don't have to believe me. I don't know how to say my video, do I? Just don't watch it, like... Anyway, let's go. First, I'm gonna tell you some of my choice, and then we will look online to see how it goes over there. If you follow my channel, you obviously know I'm not really a fan of this fragrance, and I feel it's just too much. La Vie est Belle. It's just too sweet, too floral. It's too overpowering, and usually I love overpowering. I know it's super popular, and probably a lot of people will be like. There's other alternatives that for me are a bit more classy. For example, you can go for Sid Armani. That's also a designer, but it's more fruity. You have cassis note. Even if I don't really like Montguerlain, I think this is a better alternative than La Vie est Belle. To my sense, really. But yeah, or if you want a sweet fragrance, why don't you try Prada Candy? That's a so classy sweetness. Absolutely stunning. Number 2, we going for Sauvage. Well, no surprise here. If you follow me, you obviously know that I'm not the biggest fan of Sauvage. I think it smells common, basic. Okay, it's beautifully done. It's a nice fragrance. Honestly, I just don't like the vibe. And I think you can find something more interesting. If you just stay in the designer range, like why don't you go for Allure Homme Sport, the extreme one? It's a bit more sensual, and it has some kind of a scent that is a bit more interesting to me because there's a bigger contrast with something fruity and something kind of more sensual. So, you know, good projection as well. So you're looking for projection? There you go, projection. Oh, Mont Blanc Explorer, fresh cocktail, citrusy, a bit like if you like Aventus, those kind of fragrance, you're gonna like that. Oh, why not YSL La Nuit de l'Homme? I know it's quite different though, it's more lavender and things like that, but if you want to go for designer, go for those. I would even prefer Bleu de Chanel, to be fair. Like, it's really the same kind of vibe, but I feel Bleu de Chanel's got a more softer woody tone, and it's not too much in your face. Next one for ladies, Versace Bright Crystal. It doesn't smell anything. It smells kind of flowers, but it's not even flowers. It's artificial. So artificial, and I'm just like, I prefer the Cristal Black though, the Noir. I think it's more interesting, but this is just like, you can find much better if you want a light floral that's, you know, cute. Burberry London, that's a good one, and it's floral, but it's more yellow floral though. Oh, do you know what? Like, I actually, like, I have a kind of a dupe for La Vie est Belle, and this one, if you like, is the new Shiseido, and it's called Ginza, and it's got really that tone, La Vie est Belle tone. It's more like cherry blossom, you know, with slightly a tea, like a very rosy tea. It's really pretty. Honestly, you should have a try. Next one, Only the Brave by Diesel. It's really funny because I bought it for an ex-boyfriend, and now I just feel it's just maybe because I'm older now and I think it's very young smell. It just doesn't give none of that class as well. It's got really that shower gel feel. Sorry, like, don't hate me. Don't you stick to the one I said previously for Sauvage, the Acqua di Gio's range as well. That could be nice. Like, you know, more classy. Profumo, why not? Next one that I don't really understand is Gucci Rush and Gucci Première. Again, that's a bit the same type of fragrance as Bread Crystal, because for La Vie est Belle, for example, I'm just like, okay, it's not to my taste, but it's really nicely done, and you can find like some rich ingredient in there, like nice ingredient. Whereas this smells just very artificial, and not saying that artificial or synthetic is a bad thing, not at all. You know, like when you drink a juice, like an orange juice, and it's really artificial, like you know those fruit shoot stuff, and you drink a concentrate of orange. Yeah, that's the same. Okay, let me go through the web now and let's see what internet says. What are we gonna write? Perfume that smell tacky. Straight to the point. 13 awful smelling fragrance. Aromatic elixir. Oh no, that's nice. But yeah, okay, it's really a oldish scent and it's super powerful. Like you literally have a spray, you kill everyone around. I really love it though. It's very thick, rich, and it's like a bit granny. Yeah, I agree. But I think on someone younger it shows class. But I know a lot of people don't like it, and I remember the first time I smelled it, I didn't like it at all. YSL Parisienne. Okay, I'm officially tacky. Not useful at all. Smells like old ladies. Smell like cheap rose scented baby powder. I love it. I know a lot of people say it smells tacky, but I actually really enjoy it, and I still enjoy it, and it's discontinued, I think. And yeah, it's very fruity, overpowering sweetness and rosy scent. Really like that though. Gucci by Gucci. Ah, there we go. It's not the same that I said, but that's the same idea. What did I say? I wish it lasted longer. Yeah, of course, like it's water, not synthetic good stuff. Weak scent. Yeah, it's weak. It's terrible. Lancôme Magnifique. Oh yeah, no, that's terrible. They discontinued it, no? Strong and heavy. That's good to me. Manages to smell cheap. Okay, well that's it for this one. So that's on totalbeauty.com. Tacky fragrance. That's on Fragrantica forum. So what do they say? Paco Rabanne 1 million. Couldn't agree more. I absolutely don't like it. I think, first of all, the packaging is not classy at all. The commercial is not classy at all. The smell is not classy at all. I really don't like it. But yeah, I think it's just this amount of fruit, punchy fruitiness in your face is like too much. Too much. Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Male. Stop saying that, people. That's because I think it was the clubbing set of the 20s, but the 20s? No, the 90s, Clémence. Boudoir smells trashy. Ah. Ah. I've got Boudoir from Vivienne Westwood, but I agree, it smells trashy, dirty. And that's the whole point of it. Yeah. It's called boudoir. Do you know what's a boudoir in France? I shouldn't say that because my Instagram page is called like that. But a boudoir is where the women used to have have a love affair. It's basically the room next to their bedroom. So they used to have love affair in their boudoir. Of course, they could like play card with their mates, but most of the time they would do something trashy. There's the one by Demi Rowling. 7 perfume that smell tacky. Ah, interesting. What did she add in there? Black Opium. Oof, I know someone that's not going to be happy about that. Juicy Couture. Ah, the Gold Couture is nice. Caramel. Pink Sugar. I agree. Paco Rabanne. I pretty much agree of what she's saying actually. Just for fun, she said. Yeah, it's just for fun. Chill out. Anyway, I think that's enough. And if you've seen your fragrance in there, don't you worry. See, like I had some as well. And do I feel bad about it? No, wear what you like, and it really depends, I think, on how you dress and how you look as well, like how you present yourself. Remember that you are wearing the fragrance, not the contrary, so you can always decide. I hope you had a laugh with me and you enjoyed the video. Take that like in that way. Let's just chill. Yeah, I will see you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a little like if you enjoy the video, and I will see you very soon. Bye now.